So all of my implements that I'm putting on my tractor, I plan to use the same with Quick Connect. So I've often wondered why this was so flimsy or light, and so I cracked open. I needed to expand it an inch, by the way. Just it needs to be 29.5 inches wide at the center. So what is this? Is this Chinese engineering? This is the Hallmaster Quick Connect hitch, and I'm looking at this. I'm going, what on God's green earth is this mess that we're putting in here to make this strong? Maybe, I don't know. Anybody else see this crap? I don't know if you've had to modify one, but